and today we will be learning about a new topic called Paana. But this is just a quick quiz, if you will, to see if you can read it. So I want all of you to read it and at least see if you can make sense of it, even with the like current understanding or knowledge of Hindi that you have. I'm going to ask some of you to think about any verb, any main verb or action verb, and write it down in the comments what will happen to it when you add Paana to it. So I'm going to ask all of you to please do that, so I just get an understanding whether you're all following it so far or not. So far good. I want you to now take the action verb that you wrote and try to replace the sentence with that. Okay, so that's what I have, the small exercise again, and feel free to use the same one. The verb that I have, or you can change it, but you should be able to practice all the different pronouns here and how they're used with the main verb, where I remove the na for all of them. Okay, and you're left with just the auxiliary one in the negative sentence. तुम सोच नहीं पाए, masculine singular. तुम सोच नहीं पाई. Right? So for all the respective pronouns, you will have pronouns on the first column. This is just the base stem of the main verb. Bol, soch, dekh, sun, goom, ga, and lik. When you are saying it for yourself, masculine singular, nahi paya. For feminine singular, nahi pai. Okay? So this is just a small table for you to practice with. I want to spend like at least a few minutes here just so that you guys can all be comfortable on this one. बीमारी के कारण she was unable to work. बीमारी के कारण वह काम नहीं कर पाई. Okay, right. Now the subject is still the same. It's the feminine singular. Just the tense is changing. So this is in case if you want to validate your answers, this will be this one. Now she will be unable to work. Right. So I'm gonna again ask you guys to take a moment, think about it. Same sentence. बीमारी के कारण she will be unable to work. वह काम नहीं कर पाएगी. Wonderful. Now we will do something in the past, present tense. We've done the past, future. Now you will, again, this is just in case if you want to check your answers, you can do so. Let's do this one. And this is she is unable to work. वह काम नहीं कर पाती है. And this is just like how you will conjugate the indefinite sentences. मैं चलता हूँ, मैं सोचता हूँ, मैं बोलता हूँ. But in this case, it's basically you will use the base stem of the main verb and you use the Paana in the present indefinite. कर पाना becomes कर पाता, कर पाती, or कर पाते. So, okay, just to kind of wrap it up, I have the same paragraph that I showed you guys at the beginning of the class. Okay, having learned this concept, I want you to read it again and tell me and be genuine about it if it makes more sense now. Okay, the same paragraph that you read, so I want you to read it again. So kal is yesterday, right? So she couldn't catch the bus yesterday because it's samay par, it means on time. But you were still able to get it right completely, even though you may not have heard of samay par. Samay par is on time. Pura karna is to complete. Raat is night. Kal is yesterday. Sona is to sleep. Hum is we. पिछले हफ्ते, it's hard. It's last week. The kids were unable to watch TV or couldn't watch TV. It could be because there was no electricity. So that's it for today.